God's will must be done all the time. Three important things we can know about God's will. First, God's will empowers. God's will has the grace in itself that enables us to accomplish it. The very will of God makes us able to do it. Second, God's will heals. Our human will, because of the effect of original sin in us, even if we are now baptized and has the grace of God, but if we just consider our own will without the grace of God, our will always tend to be rebellious. Our will always tend to do the wrong. The tendency is not yet sin, but it is a weakness. And therefore, it is very easy for Satan, it is very easy for the evil one to enslave us into committing sin, into choosing what is evil. But if the will of God comes to us and we do the will of God, it heals us. The more we do God's will, the lesser we become rebellious against the will of God. And then it will be easier to do the will of God. And it will be easier now to be away from doing the bad, to be stronger against the wrong. And so it heals us. That is why when there is the will of God given to us, do it. Third, the will of God gives us the power to persevere. The will of God gives us the grace of continuity. You see, when we do the good, we will not only do it one time, two time. No. We have to do the good all the time. To choose the good, to do the right thing, live out and work for what is godly. Our will is inclined also not to persevere because we say, oh, it is difficult. No, when there is the will of God and we are doing it, it will give us also the grace of continuity. You see, there are times wherein you pray. As it is the will of God to pray. And then when you stop praying, you will say, oh, I don't like what I am feeling, as if it is not complete without the prayer. Yes, that's the feeling, because there is the grace that accompanies His will, the grace of continuity, the grace of perseverance in the good. Let us always do the will of God. We become godly. We become in love of God.